Model 2017 Peugeot Boxer L3 2.0 HDI Luton low loader Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, white, Luton box mileage, 197,165 engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect runs with a rattle. Bottom end bearings are noisy. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Low loader box is 4.5 meters long, 2.7 meters high and 2.1 meters wide. Features: 1 former keeper, sat nav, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail £5,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.